Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. Today I'm back with my Mercedes C300. If you guys remembered, when I first bought this car, it came with halogen headlights and taillights, and they were hideous. Aww. One of my first mods was to upgrade them to LED headlights and taillights, and I got them from Unique Style Racing. And they look amazing and they worked really well. Now, fast forward about 20 months, it's almost 2 years since I've had the headlights and taillights, and you guys are probably wondering, how are they holding up? So in today's video, I want to take you around the car, give you guys a full review of the condition of the headlights and taillights and how they perform. So let's get to it. So let's start with the front headlights. As you can see, it looks really good. I mean, up close, everything looks good. I mean, there's some minor pitting, but that's from like sand and stone hitting the headlights, but nothing else. There's no cracks, there's no condensation, there's no sun damage. Everything looks really good. Even these projector lenses, they look super clean, like from day one. And also the headlights haven't shifted or anything. The gaps are still perfect the way I installed them. And for the taillights, it's almost the same thing. Everything looks really good. There's no issues whatsoever. Nothing's broken inside. There's no condensation. I mean, you see a little bit of swirl marks, but that's common. I mean, I could probably polish that out. Even this overlay, this tint overlay that I put on the reverse lights, that's still good too. Yeah, it looks really nice. Okay, now let me turn on the car so you can see the headlights and taillights in action. First of all, I never received any error lights with these headlights and taillights installed. Let's take a look at the front. And you can see they shine super bright and it still has a nice clean cutoff line. And the LED strip looks awesome. The side marker light looks awesome. And the headlights look awesome. There's definitely pitting, you can definitely see it, but that's normal wear and tear. Let's look at the other side. Looks good. Now let's take a look at the signal. And these light up perfectly, just like nice little jewels. Okay, let's take a look at the back. And same as the front, these work perfectly and they light up super bright. Yeah, these haven't changed at all. They look just like how they were from day one. Well, there you have it. I'm really happy with the way the headlights and taillights have held up. And to be honest, I don't think anything is gonna happen to these because they're built really well. So if you've been waiting to get a set of headlights or taillights or both, definitely go check them out in the link in the description below. I'll also leave my discount code to help you knock a few bucks off your order. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe and I will see you next time.